Welcome to our guide on professional jeans repair, where we'll show you how to restore your favorite denim. Fading, holes, and worn-out knees are common issues, but they don't have to mean the end for your beloved jeans. Professional repair services offer a fantastic way to extend the life of your denim, preserving both their sentimental value and their fit. One of the most frequent repairs is fixing holes. Whether it's a small rip or a larger tear, skilled technicians can mend them seamlessly. For minor damage, they might use a darning technique, carefully weaving new threads to match the existing fabric. For more significant holes, patches can be applied on the inside or outside, often color-matched to blend in perfectly. Another common problem is excessive wear, especially around the knees and crotch area. These stress points can often be reinforced with patches, or by carefully re-weaving the fabric. This not only prevents further tearing but also strengthens the garment. Zipper and button repairs are also a specialty. A broken zipper or a missing button can render your jeans unwearable. Professional services can replace zippers with durable, high-quality alternatives and securely reattach or replace buttons, ensuring they function as new. Even significant damage, like extensive fraying or tears along seams, can often be addressed. Seam repair involves carefully restitching the areas that have come apart, reinforcing the original construction and preventing the damage from spreading. Choosing professional repair means opting for durability and a refined finish. These services often use specialized equipment and techniques that are difficult to replicate at home. They understand denim fabric and how to work with it to achieve results that look natural and last. Before sending your jeans off, it's a good idea to wash them. This ensures the repair professionals are working with clean fabric, and it helps them better assess the damage. Many services will also offer advice on how to care for your repaired jeans to maximize their lifespan. So, don't discard those worn-out jeans just yet. Explore professional repair options and give your favorite denim a new lease on life. It's a sustainable, economical, and satisfying choice.